Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to go over how to easily change the refresh rate on your Mac, whether it's the built-in display or an external monitor. First things first, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down until you see Displays, and click on it. Now, choose the display you want to adjust. If you have multiple monitors connected, make sure you select the right one. In my case, I'm selecting an external display. Okay, now look for the refresh rate option. It might be set to 60 Hz by default. You can click on the drop-down menu and choose a different refresh rate that your display supports. If you have a variable refresh rate display, you should see that option here too. I'm going to choose the highest one available for my monitor.
Just a head up, your display might flicker for a moment after you change the refresh rate. Don't worry, that is normal.
Once it comes back on, the refresh rate will be successfully updated. And that's it.
Super easy, right?
I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Links to anything mentioned are in the description. Remember, this is based on my personal experience. Your mileage may vary. Thanks for watching.